Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can clear your Facebook search history all at once. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to clear your Facebook search history all at once, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to tap this search icon at the top to open your Facebook searching section. And after that, you will now be able to see your recent Facebook search history right here. But since it's only recent, you will not be able to see all of your searches here. So to see all your Facebook searches, just click this See All button. And then you will now be able to see all your search history on Facebook. So now that you see your search history, let me now show you how to delete it all at once. So to do that, it's so simple, you just need to tap this Clear All button right here. And then Facebook will ask you for confirmation if you really want to delete all your searches, so just tap the Clear All button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, all your Facebook searches will now be deleted all at once just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.